Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can fix your mic problem in your device Redmi A1. So if your mic is not working in Redmi A1, you can make it work by following the few steps and tips which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can make your mic work in your device.